Please check out the community page for a short quiz on this particular video and hopefully leave your comments. I welcome all of you to the Burton channel, and this is the first time I want to share with you about my cooking. You have seen some of my videos about cooking, but that was just in when I was in Canada, and that was mostly just about the preparation before the actual cooking. So today I will start right from the beginning. I just returned from the market. I bought a whole lot of stuff, and today I will be cooking fish. So there's not much that is needed for fish. So today will not be too much preparation before that, but I'll just take you on this journey with me, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. It will be much appreciated. That's all I ask in return. Thank you so much. Let's begin. The fins and tail have already been removed. The head has been severed and cut into half. I take the fish out of the bag and thoroughly clean the stomach area to remove anything left behind and remove the gills. The Thai people descale the fish and remove the stomach waste, but they cook the fish as a whole with the fins and tail left on it. It was strange to see the eyes staring at me as if begging not to be eaten. My little garbage bag. I put all the garbage into that as I am cleaning and cutting the fish and other things. Then I double and triple the bag and leave it in my garbage bin. When I step out of the apartment, then I will throw the garbage out. I will now cut the fish into slices. Tilt the knife a bit to make the first cut and add a little pressure. Not too much, or you will smash the fish. It is quite easy to slice through the bone too, but sometimes the skin can give a bit of a tug of war. You see me sometimes going back and forth with the knife, trying to cut off that last bit of the skin and free the slice from the fish. I wash each slice again because there can be residue in the stomach region. I tried to place my camera on the other side, but the surface was not too stable. Also, the sun was too hot on that side and heating up the tripod and the camera. When I touch these bowls, they are quite hot too. It is only after cutting the fish into slices that one can clean the insides thoroughly. Sometimes I am scared in restaurants when they cook the full fish. I wonder how clean it is from the inside. Now I will marinate the fish. I have got here some chili powder. So I will put in a lot of chili powder. I've got in coriander powder. turmeric powder. To this I will add lime juice, vinegar, and soy sauce. Just mix it all together. Poke my finger into some part of the fish. Now I will marinate and keep it for some time, and then I will fry it. And once it's fried, I will show you the ready product. I'm so hungry, very hungry.